Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Let's go! You're on!
Then here's our plan. Helly will determine where the caterpillars are, then we can lure them out of hiding using land.
Thank you, Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey! Vito!
Look here, boys! We got us a couple of rookies.
Aquí, recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente!
My mama is right here.
Don't worry, Mama!
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like... Just going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I would like to see where this is going.
No. He ran out of asphalt in the middle of the night and asked me if he could come down here.
Thanks, guys.
River, past Lou, even Junior. Steady, unless he wanted to.
You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead.
Everything changed when Ray showed up.
He's a no insult. When Francesco is away from home, he misses his mama. Just like...
¿Te gustan?
All day long.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, my...
You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance.
Guido!
I'm telling you, man, every third blink is slower.
speed stump. Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello, Pace. Drop and give me 20 miles.